Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want to know how to become a content creator? You have a lot of questions, but don't worry, I am there. So without wasting any time, come with me. For becoming a best content creator, you have to write the best script. And do you know how do you write the best script and where you can find the best script writing app? In my previous video, I was shared full review of free AI app named
Quillbot.
simply have to download from Tulify. Now come to the point number 2, which is footage. Footage is a powerful tool for your best content creation, and you can take your footage from
Pixabay.
third step is music or voice. Do you know from where you can get a best music or best voice? From 11 Labs. Fourth and most important step is video editing. You simply have to download Toolify and you can get free AI tools for your video editing. Now you just have to download.
Tulify.
So these are the 5 most important steps for content creation. Let's start the work. Hope you will like my video. Thanks for coming.